Hey everyone, congratulations and welcome to step number 3. You are over 50% of the way complete of setting up this done for you system. Now, the hard part is over. The rest is really simple, and it's repeating what we've already done. So with our email follow-up, what we want to do is, if you don't have an Aweber account already, I want you to pause this video, just click the button below this video where it says join Aweber for free, set up your free 30-day trial of Aweber, and what's going to happen is you're going to get a back office that looks like this. Now, before we get into going over the back office and how to set up our list and stuff like that, what I want to do is I firstly want to set up our affiliate links. So in order to set up the affiliate platform for Aweber, what you need to do is you need to go over to Google and you need to type in Aweber affiliate. Okay, just Google search Aweber affiliate, and if you scroll down, what you're going to see is the Aweber affiliate sign up, right? You want to make sure it's this one where it's aweber.com, and then you're going to simply click on sign up. Go through the process, and once you have completed the entire affiliate process, you're going to get an email with login information and a affiliate ID. Now, in order to log into your affiliate back office, you're going to go to the same place you would log in for your email autoresponder. So I recommend bookmarking this page, and you can log into both your affiliate back office and your actual Aweber account back office. Then to grab your affiliate link, as you guys see here, my affiliate ID is right there. What you want to do is you just want to right click and copy that link address, and then we're going to go over to our handy dandy notepad, and we're going to paste that link into the Aweber section. Now that we have the Aweber affiliate link, what we want to do is we want to actually go into our email follow-up section of the success system, and then we want to click on edit page, and you want to make sure, if you haven't done so already, you want to change the navigation with the step-by-step links. If you need a reference on how to do that, make sure you go back to step number 2 and watch that video again. So you want to make sure you change out the links for each step on the navigation, and then you want to scroll down to the bottom, and the only thing you need to change here, I actually need to change the color of this button. So we're just going to make that a green button. And as you guys see here, it's very simple to edit the page, and I'm going to show you a little bit more editing features here coming in this video. I'm going to show you how to set up a secondary landing page, which is going to help you customize the look of your system and further increase the conversions that you're getting on your traffic. So we have that link there. What you want to do is you just want to click on set action, and then where it says my affiliate link, you just want to open up your notepad and you want to copy this affiliate link and you want to paste it in right there. Then once you've done so and you've double checked that your link is changed, all you want to do is you want to click on save. So now that your system is saved, remember, go through the preview, click on all the buttons, make sure everything goes where you want it to go, and then you want to go ahead and you want to log out of your affiliate back office and you want to log into your actual Aweber back office itself. So what you want to do is you want to set up a new list. So I just recommend going into manage lists, and then you can actually click on create a new list. What you want to do first is you want to go through, set up the list name. You can set up the list description. I like to put hey, it's Dylan. That way whenever they get an email, it just says automatically, hey, it's Dylan. And then I also have notifications set up for when people do opt into this list, I get an email notification. So that's all you need to do for the basic. If you go into confirmation message, you want to make sure that both of these are turned off in order to get everybody signed up to your list so that your emails go out to all of these new people. Then what you want to do is you want to click on sign up forms, and you want to actually create a new sign up form. So I'm actually going to delete this because this is a old sign up form. I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to show you guys just how simple it is to actually create these sign up forms. So what I recommend doing is deleting all of the sections. I delete the name, I delete the footer, and make it just the email and the sign up. And then we're going to go to step 2. We're going to name the sign up form. So we're going to go Supercharged success page. Now remember, I want you guys to be doing this along with me, so make sure if at any point in time you need to pause the video to catch up, go ahead and do that, and then just follow along with me. So you want to make sure that the people that have opted in, they go over to step 1, right? We want them to see step 1 and then continue on down the process of the funnel. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste in that link, and then we're going to do a already subscribed page, and we're going to paste in that link again. All right, so now that is all that we need to do right there. We're going to hide the advanced settings, and we're going to click on save form. So now the form is set up, and we should be ready to plug this into our ClickFunnels account. So what we want to do is we want to exit out, and we want to go back to our main office for ClickFunnels, and then we want to click on this little image icon, go under integrations, and we're going to actually integrate ClickFunnels with Aweber so that you can link it to your account. Now what you want to do is you just want to simply click on add new integration. You're going to click on Aweber. You can name it whatever you want, and then when you click on connect integration, what's going to happen is it's just going to ask you to log into your account, and then that's it. Now, once you have done so, what you want to do is you want to go back over to Browse Funnels. You want to go under your Supercharged Success System. Now we are going to edit the opt-in page. So first off, we want to make sure our main opt-in page is set up properly. So what we want to do is, as you guys see here, it's a very basic page. What I recommend doing is creating a variation, which I'm going to do at the end of this video, and you want to create a variation of this page and add your own personal tweak to it. If you want to remove the image, you can do that, but for this one page, I recommend leaving it alone, seeing how it converts for you. I'm going to show you how to track all that. I want you to see how it converts for you, and then just go along with it. It's already set up, it's tested to convert. So what we want to do is we want to click on integrations, and I'm going to remove this integration, and I want to select our Aweber, whatever you named it, it's going to be your Aweber account. And then what I want you to do is click on integrate existing form, and then we're going to select a list. So you see where it says Supercharged Success System. We're going to click on that, and that's all you need to do. Now when people enter their email in, they're going to press this button, and they're going to be added to your Aweber list. But you need some emails to send out to those people that they're signing up. So what I've gone ahead and done is I've set up a 7-day email sequence, and all you need to do is plug in this code, which is directly below this video. So as you see right here, you see this code right here. So when you have a brand new list, what you're going to look for is you're going to find the legacy follow-up series, and then you're going to want to look for follow-up sharing, and you're going to click on that button, and then you're going to paste in that code, which is directly below this video. You're going to paste in that code, and it's going to load all of the emails. Once all of the emails are loaded in, you should have all 7 of them. What you want to do is you just want to simply click on the blue title. All you're going to need to do once you get into the email section of this, you're going to leave the Facebook group the exact same, and what you're going to do is you're just going to click anywhere where it's underlined, where the arrow is, and then you see it should pop up with the these two chains. What you want to do is you want to click on the chain icon, and then you want to change out this link. So for us, what we're going to do is we're going to grab our link. So we're going to go to our notepads, and we want to grab step 1, right? All of your emails, you want to send people to step 1, all right? We want to send people always back to step number 1. So we're going to change that out. We're going to paste that link in there, and boom. So we're going to click on OK, and then we're going to do save and exit. Now you can change the name. If you want to change out where it says Dylan DeFazio, you can do that. And then you want to go into step number or email number 2, and you want to do this for every single email. Okay, you want to go through right where it says that. You want to click here. You want to paste in your new link, and you want to save that. Right? You want to do the same for this one, and you want to do that for every single link inside of all the emails. Again, you can leave the Facebook groups as is. If you want to change out my name and put your name, you can do that as well. So once you've gone ahead and done that for all of the emails, what I recommend doing is setting up your variation page. Now what you can do is you can simply, now that you have your system set up, what you can do is you can click on create a variation. Now what I recommend doing is setting up a template, right? So doing something that is completely different from the one that you have currently. Do something that you think would convert very high and just see how it works, right? So what we can do, maybe I just want to, I want to use this red one, so we can do this. We can do that test 2, right? So we can create a new page, and I just want to show you guys, I know this video is going to be a little bit longer than the others, but this is some pretty cool value for those of you that stayed this far. I'm going to set up a live page with you. Okay, so we can set up a cool timer, right? So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to delete that timer, and I'm going to create a better timer. We're going to scroll down here, and we're going to do a minute timer. Okay, so then if you want to change the theme of it, you can just go into here and you can pick all different kinds of themes, right? So let's do a big yellow box, and let's do 4 hours, 47 minutes, and 12 seconds. Okay, and if you want to hide all of the elements on the page, right, to make it look like everything is gone, right, you can hide all of these, and you can auto reset the timer, right? So you can really change however you want it. You're going to make it bigger, and then what we're going to do is we're going to set up a new page. So if you want to say I don't have the old page, but I'm just going to do it off the top of my head. So earn endless $80 commissions around the clock, leveraging my done for you system. Okay, so we can do that, and then we can go ahead and we can bold this, right, make that all colored, and then we can drop this down, right? We can bold this if we want to. And then we, do you want to learn how to make $1 million online? So that's a little, a little too scammy for me. I don't really like that. I'm going to delete that. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to just add a input area, because I don't really want to use a pop-up. I like having just the input area. So we're going to put that in. We're going to add our email address, and we're going to change this to yes, give me my done for you system. So we'll drop this down a notch. I'm going to change the theme of the button. I want I want it to pop a little bit more. So we're going to do that. We're going to go to make it full width. So as you guys see here, you can edit this however you want. We're going to change the copyright to 2018, and we'll just put, remove caps, supercharged success system. Okay, so super simple, right? Nice and clean. We can see how this one converts against the other one. I'm actually going to give you this page when you copy the system, so this will be live, and we're going to integrate it again to our Aweber list. So we're going to click on that. We're going to integrate to existing form. So as you guys see, it's very, very simple to actually set these systems up. It does take a lot of time up front, and that's why it's nice to have these done for you systems. Everything's done. All you got to do is, link it to your system, link it to your ClickFunnels, link it to your Aweber, and then you can start earning commissions from work that I did, and you can, make some money very, very quickly. So let's do, supercharged success system, right? Start earning endless $80 commissions. Okay, we'll put my name here and we'll save it. So if I want to put an image, right, we can do that. We can add our logo and boom, save it. So now we have a variation for our system. We're going to exit out of here, and I'm just going to show you how to apply it. So now we can click on Start Split Test and apply changes. And now all of the traffic going to these pages is going to get tested. Now, if you ever want to see the stats of them, you can just simply click on Stats, and it's going to show you the stats of the page. So as you see here, control is the main one, and variation is the one that we set up. So once I start sending traffic to this system, I'm going to see firsthand, okay, the control is converting better, or the variation is converting better. So these are things that you want to know when you're sending traffic to your system. So go ahead, set everything up, set up your own variation if you want to, or just run with these two. You're more than welcome to do as you wish to the system. It is set up and it's yours now. You can customize it how you want. So go ahead, set up your emails, set up your, link it to your ClickFunnels account, and I'll see you guys in step number 4, where we're going to go over how to start getting traffic to this brand new system that you just set up.